Hello, welcome to another video. Today I'm opening another box, and this box is a PlayStation. It is a PlayStation 2. Okay, opening the box. There we go, the box is open. Yep, that is a cable. That is another cable. And I think this is the controller, which is good. Gonna need that. I don't know how I'm supposed to commentate this. I did this before with the Xbox 360, but that was silent. So yeah, here we go. Controller. The buttons seem to work. My hands are not used to this though. It's the only PlayStation I've ever owned, so I'm definitely going to have to get used to this controller. It seems small. The joysticks are different from the Xbox one. There you go, let's do a comparison here. Oh yeah, it's way smaller. Same width though. Yeah, I was worried there wasn't going to be a controller. So that is good. Put those to the side. Right, manual, very crinkled. Okay, there we go. And again, that is smaller than I thought it was going to be. Yeah, and you got the little thing you can move. There you go. Yeah, so I've never had a PlayStation, though I have played on the PlayStation when I was younger. And this is very dirty. There we go, get his note. So basically, there was just a load of games I didn't have access to, and I wanted to stop playing them all. And of course, they're on the PC, some of them at least, but you don't really own those games on Steam. Yeah, on Steam you just have licenses to games. It's a lot different from having an actual disc you have control over. Something else in the box. There's a thing in the box. I don't know what this is. Demos. Okay, cable. Now yeah, this may go into my TV, it may not, which is why we got accessories. That's what that says there. Okay, so yeah, this is a HDMI adapter. And then, I see, 128 megabyte memory card right there. Because I don't believe it stores memory, has no storage on it. So if you want to save your game, this is very important. Power cable, yeah. And actually, speaking of games, I got two here. So yeah, we'll start with this one. Resident Evil 4. I haven't played a lot of Resident Evil games. I think my first one was 8, which is not good. And then after that I played the 4 remake, which again, not good. Shouldn't be playing remakes before the originals. But I got 2 others for my Xbox 360, which were 5 and 6. I played 5, I liked 5. Have not played 6 yet, but I will. Heard bad things about it, but I'm going to play it anyway. And of course, 4 has a very good reception, so the first thing I wanted to get for this. And the other game is Jungle Party, for the buzzers. This is a game I have not played in forever. It's like a family game, I guess. And I thought, seeing as I was buying the PlayStation 2, I might as well get it. And we can all play that together at some point. Okay, that was a struggle to open, but here we go, here are the buzzers. I think they're already getting tangled. Classic. So there's the PlayStation 2. There's no holes I can put my finger in, like last time. So he's safe for now, unless I can open this. Can I open it? No, I don't want to break it. I'm not going to do that. Yeah, you can put it on its side as well. There we go. So yeah, here we go. That was the PlayStation 2, successfully taken out of the box. You're welcome. I don't know what I'm doing here. I did the first unboxing, now I feel the need to record everything I take out of the box. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, well, I only have 2 games at the moment, but it does open up lots of possibilities. I know there's a few more games that I want to get, but I'll have to hold off on that. And some games I'll probably do for your YouTube channel. I think would be fun. So yeah, until then, I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.